students to the new video of this mathematics. Okay, जय मां शारदे आप सभी को। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे मैथमेटिक्स का। In this video we are going to discuss about two exercises. First of all we will discuss about exercise 1.3, after that 1.4. What is there in 1.3? In 1.3 we are going to compare the numbers, who is greater, who is smaller. After that we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending orders. Okay, so let's start with the very first question, number 1, which is the greatest number in each of the following pairs. So my dear students, this is the very first question, which is the greater number in each of the following. So I am going to solve question number A, first question, to show you how to solve this question. Okay, so first of all we have to confirm the digits. अगर बेटा कोई दो नंबर में कंपैरिजन करना है, सबसे पहले डिजिट्स पता कर लो। ओके, कहीं दोनों नंबर के डिजिट सेम हो तो हमें किसी और चीज को पता करना पड़ेगा। अगर एक नंबर का डिजिट 5 एक नंबर का डिजिट 6 है तो हमें पता है कि 6 डिजिट नंबर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 5 डिजिट नंबर, इसलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कंफर्म्स द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इन अ गिवन नंबर। सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। ओके, जब दोनों डिजिट सेम है तो उसका मैक्सिमम प्लेस वैल्यू को देखना होता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन कंपैरिजन, first of all we have to confirm the number of digits of the both numbers which we are comparing. Second, if the number of digits are same, as in this case both are of 7 digit number, then the second number we have to do to see the maximum place value digit. Okay, here the maximum place value, what will be the maximum place value? It will be 10 lakh. So in the 10 lakh place, here it's 1 and here it's 8. So we can say that 821461 is greater, simply because the maximum place value digit, the number which have the greatest number in the maximum place value digit will be the greater. बेटा मैक्सिमम प्लेस वैल्यू के जगह पे जिसका नंबर बड़ा होगा वही नंबर बड़ा होगा एक्चुअली होल। ओके, so 821461 will be greater here. Okay, I will let you solve B number also. Okay, let's see the second one also. What is the first work we have to do when we are comparing two numbers? The first work we have to do is, first of all we have to count the digits of the two numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is clear. If the digits are same, then we have to see the digit in the maximum place value place. Okay, the maximum place value 2 is there. After that, अगर maximum place value में दोनों का नंबर सेम है तो फिर हमको उसके बाद वाला प्लेस वैल्यू में देखना है। जैसे कि 8 डिजिट नंबर है बेटा, तो मैक्सिमम प्लेस वैल्यू इज करोड़, करोड़ प्लेस में दोनों का 3 है। आफ्टर दैट then it's 10 lakh place, 10 lakh place में दोनों का 3 है, करोड़ प्लेस में दोनों का 2 है, यहाँ 3 है, 1 is there. Okay, and after that at the place of 10,000, here 1 is there and here 3 is there. Okay, so बेटा यहाँ से पता चला 10,000 के प्लेस, बिकॉज 10,000 के प्लेस तक तो देखिए 231 यहाँ भी था, 231 यहाँ भी था, तो पता चला हमें 10,000 के प्लेस से कि यहाँ पर जो है 10,000 के प्लेस पे 1 है, यहाँ 10,000 के प्लेस पे 3 है। सो वी कैन राइट दैट 231 33449 इज ग्रेटर, इज ग्रेटर। ओके, सो इस तरीके से आपको करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व। ओके, नाउ लेट्स जंप इनटू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So my dear students, here the second number question. अब आपको इसमें बताना है, पहले हमने क्या बताया कि कौन बड़ा है, अब हम छोटे वाले नंबर बताएंगे कि इसमें से छोटा कौन है। मेथड्स वही रहेंगे कंपैरिजन के। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कंफर्म विद द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स, सेकेंड यू हैव टू कंफर्म विद द digit in the maximum place value. Okay, So these two methods will be there. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Number of digits are same. Maximum place value 10 lakh. 2. Both numbers have 2. Then 8. Both numbers have 8. Then 5. Both numbers have 5. Then in the thousand place, here it's 4 and here it's 5. Means this will be greater and this will be smaller. और इस क्वेश्चन में हमें स्मॉलर नंबर को लिखना है, तो आंसर विल बी 2854,372 इज स्मॉलर. बेटा ये नंबर जो है वो स्मॉलर होगा, क्योंकि बेटा शुरू के 3 प्लेस वैल्यूज को देखें तो नंबर सेम था. एट द थाउजेंड्स प्लेस द नंबर डिफर्स एंड हियर दिस नंबर इज फाउंड टू बी स्मॉलर. ओके, नाउ आई विल डू सेकंड नंबर फॉर यू आल्सो. So here is the second number question on your board, my dear students. Now first of all we have to see the number of digits, which is our first method. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no problem. At the first place value, means at the crores place, we have seen a difference. So बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं. This number is smaller, this is greater. We have to write smaller according to question. So we will write 72459,452 is smaller. This number is smaller among these two numbers. Okay. So I think question number 2 you have understand. Now let's do the ascending order, my dear students. This is the first question, my dear students, of question number 3. A number I am going to solve. This we have to arrange in ascending order. As you all know that what is ascending order? To arrange numbers with the increasing order. Means small, then bigger, then after that bigger, bigger, bigger. छोटे से बड़े, from small to big we have to arrange the numbers. Okay. These all numbers are of 7 digits. उनके digit संख्या जो है वो बिल्कुल same है. So now we have to only check the place value numbers. Okay, all have 5 in the first place, all have 4 in the second place, all have 3. No, in the third place value you can check. Third place value the numbers are different. Here in the third place value 3 is there, here 8 is there, 7 is there and 6 is there. So on the basis of the third place value digit, we will arrange this number in ascending order. Okay, which is the smallest one is 3. It is the smallest one here. Okay, so in answer we will write 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 6. So it is the smaller. After that 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 9, 8, 9. It's smaller. After that 7, 5, 4. 7, 7, 9, 6, 7. After that 8, 5, 4, 8, 4, 5, 2, 2. Okay. तो मैंने क्या किया, हमने क्या किया कि थर्ड जो है बेटा, थर्ड प्लेस वैल्यू जो है उसके हिसाब से हमने सजाया, क्योंकि पहले के जो प्लेस वैल्यूज थे वो बेटा सबके इक्वल. आप देखो ये 7 डिजिट नंबर्स हैं. So 10 lakh and lakh place was equal in all the numbers, but in the 10,000th place there are some difference. So on the basis of 10,000th place digit, we had arranged this number in ascending order. Okay, 3, 6, 7 and 8. I think it's clear to you. Okay, further we will also discuss in the live sessions also these questions. So let's do the next question of descending order. So my dear students, this question is the first number, A number question of question number 4. Arrange the following in descending order. Okay, it is the last question of our exercise 1.3. First of all we have to understand that what is descending order. To arrange the numbers from greater to smaller. Okay, greater to smaller is known as descending order. So what we have to do first we have to do count the digits of the given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is a 6-digit number. Keep reminding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These both are 7-digit numbers and this one is a 6-digit number. So this will be the smallest of all. ये बेटा सबसे छोटा होगा और सबसे बाद में आएगा because ये descending order है. यहाँ हमें सबसे बड़ा वाला रखना है. Now we will compare between these two, so 7-digit number. Okay, the maximum place value is 3 and 2. So this will be the greater and will be at the first position. 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 9. After that, this sign will be in this direction because this number is greater. Okay, after that 2, 3, 4, 7, 4, 8, 9. And after that, the last but not the least, the 6-digit number which are given in the question is 3, 8, 4, 1, 4, 9. Okay, in this way you have to arrange the following data, following numbers in descending order. Okay, my dear students, 1.3 is over now. The rest of the questions will be in the live sessions. Okay, so wait for the live sessions also. So let's start the next practice. Let us practice 1.4. So my dear students, now it's the time to solve practice 1.4 first number question. What is the question? You have to make greatest and smallest 7-digit number from the following digits. आपको numbers दिए हुए हैं, इस number से आपको greatest और smallest 7-digit number बनाना. So let's solve this. बेटा अगर आपको greatest 7-digit number बनाना है, यहाँ पर greatest 7-digit number इस केस में अगर आपको बनाना है तो जो numbers दिए हैं ना बेटा, उसको आपको descending order में सजाने पड़ेंगे. ये आपको याद रखना है. If you are going to make greatest 7-digit number from the given digits, you have to organize or order or arrange the following digits in descending order. Okay, so who's the greatest of all is 8. Okay, after that it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the first answer. We have only organized the number in descending order and we have got the greatest 7-digit number. And how to find smallest 7-digit number? Smallest 7-digit number. It will be also very easy for you because if you are finding smaller number, then you have to arrange the given digits in ascending order, means from smaller to bigger digits. So just opposite of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. This is the smallest 7-digit number you can make from the given numbers. Okay. Repetition is not allowed. किसी भी number को आप repeat नहीं कर सकते. Only once you can use a number. Okay. This was the first number sum of your exercise 1.4. Let's do the next one. So my dear students, what is the difference between question number 1 and 2 which I had written right now in board? Here is the difference. Question number 1 में हमने greatest 7-digit and smallest 7-digit number बनाया था. अब हम greatest 8-digit and smallest 8-digit number बनाएंगे. So what will be the greatest 8-digit? अभी मैंने कहा greatest बनाने के लिए आपको descending order में सजाना पड़ेगा. So descending order में सजाते हैं. The bigger is 9 here. After that 8, 7, then 5, 4, then 2, 1 and then 0. Okay. So this is the greatest 8-digit number you can make from the given these digits. Okay. For making smallest 8-digit number, आपको क्या करना है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में चेंज करना है. लेकिन स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर बनाने के लिए जब हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में नंबर्स को सजाते हैं और कहीं हमारे इन सारे नंबर्स में 0 है तो वी कांट प्लेस 0 एट द फर्स्ट। 0 होता सबसे छोटा है, और अगर असेंडिंग हो तो आप अपने जगह सही हो कि 0 को सबसे आगे रखोगे, लेकिन नहीं, 0 ऑलवेज पोजेस द सेकेंड पोजिशन। 0 को फर्स्ट पोजीशन में नहीं रखना, 0 सेकेंड पोजीशन में रहेगा। 0 के बाद कौन सबसे छोटा है इसमें? इट्स 1। तो बेटा सबसे पहले वी हैव टू राइट 1, आफ्टर दैट वी कैन राइट 0। तो अगर आपके इन नंबर्स में 0 है और अगर आप स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने जा रहे हो तो याद रहे 0 कांट पोज द फर्स्ट place, 0 always be written in the second place whenever you are going to make the smallest numbers. Okay, so 1 0 2 4 5 7 8 9 2 4 5 7 8 9. This both are the answers of the following question number 2. Let's solve the next question, my dear students, of exercise 1.4. So my dear students, here it is the third number question of the exercise. You have to make the greatest and the smallest 9-digit number this time by using these digits. The method will be the same. For greatest number, we will arrange the numbers in descending order. For smallest number, we will arrange it in the ascending order. Okay. So first of all, we will write greatest 9-digit number here. Greatest 9-digit number. So what is greatest here? It's 7. 8 is also there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the numbers are there. 9, 8. Okay. Where is 7? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the numbers are there. And the numbers have been arranged in descending order, so it is the greatest 9-digit number. Okay, now we have to find the smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number, what it be? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All the numbers here are arranged in ascending order, and this is the smallest 9-digit number. इसको हम smallest 9-digit number बोलेंगे क्योंकि हमने ascending order में सजा दिया। इसको हम greatest 9-digit number बोलेंगे, इसको हमने descending order में सजाया। Okay, my dear students. Now let's do the next question. But next question number 4 is as same as the question number 3. Okay, it will be kept for the live sessions. I will discuss that question on the live sessions. Okay, so I am going to solve for you question number 5 directly. Okay, you can do it on yourself because this is as similar as the 3 questions I had made so far in this video. So let's do the 5th number question, the last question of this exercise, my dear students. So this is the last question of practice 1.4 and the last question of this video also, my dear student. You have to write a smallest 7-digit number with ending with 3. मतलब कि अगर हम smallest 7-digit number का बात करें, my dear students, okay, तो बेटा वो smallest 7-digit number क्या होता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, बेटा तो ये होता है smallest 7-digit number. लेकिन बोल रहा है कि आपको ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट 7-digit नंबर मिल रहा है जिसके एंड में 3 होना चाहिए। सो आपको सिंपली ये जो एंड वाला 0 है ना बेटा, इसको मिटा देना है और यहाँ पर अगर आप ऐसे 3 लिख दो ना तो आपका काम हो गया। ठीक है, तो ऐसे करेंगे। व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, वी विल राइट स्मॉलेस्ट 7-digit नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट 7-digit number ending in 3 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 3. This is the smallest 7-digit number ending with 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now what is the second question here? You have to write a greatest 8-digit number ending with 5. अब you all know that greatest 8 digit number क्या होता है? 999999999। बेटा ये जो लास्ट वाला 9 है ना, उसको हटा के 5 लिख देंगे तो एंडिंग विथ 5 हमको ग्रेटेस्ट 9 डिजिट नंबर मिल जाएगा। तो वी विल राइट ग्रेटेस्ट 8 डिजिट नंबर एंडिंग इन 5 से एंड करना चाहिए। तो व्हाट विल बी आवर आंसर? 999999995। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 डिजिट नंबर है और एंड में 5 है। ओके, और ग्रेटेस्ट है सबसे बड़ा 8 डिजिट नंबर जिसके एंड में 5 है। These two are the answers of the 5th number question of the exercise 1.4 and it is the last question of our video. So thank you so much all my dear students for your cooperation till now in the live sessions. I am admiring your cooperation. I am admiring your concentration in the live sessions, your discipline in the live session. Thank you so much. In future I want this type of cooperation from you. Thank you so much my dear students.